Today we can see few more questions by using string. See, the question is this one. Write a program that takes a sentence as input from the user, where each word in the sentence is separated by a space, and replace each blank with a hyphen and then print the modified string. I think this question we already discussed in the previous class. Is it right? Yes, we discussed the same question in the previous class and we written a program by using that for this question. So this can be done by using a single sentence or by using a single function. You can replace all the spaces with a hyphen. We done a program. Instead of doing a program for the function, for the string, there is a particular method is there. Using that method, we can replace all the space with a hyphen. I'll show you that one. See, then here I am going to write s is equal to, this is a string, okay, this is a Python program. Okay, so this is a string. I am going to give it here, and you have to replace all the space with a hyphen. So for that we studied a function or method in string. So I can write as 1 equal to s dot replace. Did you study about this function? S dot replace. S is the string. Replace will replace the character, specified character with another character. So I have to replace all the space. So that single quote, within the single quote there is a space is there. So all the space must be replaced with a hyphen, and the replaced string will be stored inside the variable s1. Okay, only that thing is there. Now I can print s1. So if your question is write a program, then you have to write the program itself. You do not want to, don't write this function like this. This is not a program. You are just using the function over there. You can use the same function in your script mode also, sorry, in your shell mode also. Okay, so in that case, write a program means you have to write the program itself instead of using the method. I run the program here and you can see the output. See, all the space is replaced with a hyphen. Instead of extracting the characters and checking it is a space and replacing the hyphen. That is a logic which we studied last class. Instead of that one, you can use the replace function or replace method. Okay. Now the next question. See the next question. Next question is this one. Write a script to partition the string institute at the occurrence of the letter T. So if there is a T is occurring, there you have to partition the string. You have to split the string. Okay, so that T will be the separator there. Inside the word institute, wherever the T is occurring, from there you have to divide that string. So T is the separator there. There you can use the split function. See that example answer is written over there. S is institute, that is a string which is given in the question, and I am going to split it based on the T separator. So S dot split of T. So wherever T is occurring, there the string will be splitted, and you will get the splitted string will be there in the variable S1. Then you are going to display that S1 there. That is all about that question. See the next question, write the output of the following. Here I just use the join method, which we already studied. Join method will join the string characters of each string with the specified character. See, this is str equal to virus and d1 is the hyphen and print d1. I'll try out that one. Here string is this one. I can use the same string, and here I am going to say s1 equal to or s1 equal to hyphen. Okay, then I am going to write, instead of writing this way, I am going to say print s1 you have to use the function. This function is given in the question itself. Write the output. Question is write the output, and the function is join. See that I can use the join there. It is join, then yes, join us. Okay, so that is all with the question. You don't want to already you are using the print statement there. So S is the string and S1 is the hyphen, S1 dot join of S. So each character of S is joined with the S1. That is it. See the answer. Each character of S is joined with the S1. Your answer will be, as one bracket is missing here. Run this program. See that each character is joined with the hyphen. Okay. So that is all about that question. This is the way you have to write the output of that particular question. And the next question, consider the string S is equal to global warming. Write the statement in Python to implement the following. Display the last 4 characters from this global warming. How can you use it? Did you study about that one anywhere? You just want to display the last 4 characters. Last 4 characters means MING. These are the 4 characters you have to display. Can you say how can you display the last 4 characters? You can use your negative indexing. Yes, you can use your negative indexing. Inside your slicing, you can use the negative indexing. So that means I can write here, I can write the answer as, I'm just writing here, I can write the answer here. Yes, S is the string, S of -4 colon. Then run the program, you can see the last 4 characters of the string. So the last 4 characters of the string is GRAM. And see that this is the answer or not? Yes, you got GRAM. That is all about that question. Okay, same way you can do the next one also. Just read the question. Replace all the occurrence of A in the string with star. Replace. You can use the replace function. This is not a program. You just want to write a statement. So there you have to write only the statement part. Don't want to write the entire program. Okay, so here you can use the replace function. In the first question I used this replace function to replace the space with hyphen. Same way you can use the replace function to replace A with the star. Your string is global warming. Wherever A is occurring, there you have to use the star symbol. Okay, so you can use replace method over there. And see the next question, write a Python statement and the output of the following. Change the case of each letter in the string function. A string is function. In the given question, the string is function. And you have to change the case of each letter. That means you have to change the characters of each letter. If it is capital letter, you have to change into small letter. If it is small letter, you have to change into capital letter. That is that question. Change the case of each letter. Convert each character into capital to small and small letter to capital letter. Okay, so I'll try out that here. We have already string is there and I'll write it there. We don't want this function. I can write which function you will use. Can you say which function you can use it over there? I will write this P as also capital and this I also am going to write it as capital. So wherever capital letter is coming, there you have to write it as a small letter, and small letter you have to convert into capital letter. Which method can you use it for that one? We studied in the string function, string methods. In the first class, we studied about certain string methods. Within that, we studied that function method. What is the function? How can you change the case of each character? Yes, we can use the function. Your method name is swap case. Swap case. Using this method, your question is write a statement. Write a statement means this is enough. S dot swap case. Run the program and see the answer. So the capital letters will be changed into small letter and small letters will be changed into the capital letters. See, this is the answer. So the method will be swap case. Right? Now next question. Next question is whether Z exists in the string school. Your string is school and you have to check whether Z is present in that one or not. The character Z is present in the word school. We studied the function find. Using the find function, you can find out the position of Z inside the word school. If it is not present, that find function will return the value -1. Okay? So if it is present, it will return the position. If it is not present, then return the value -1. That also I'll try out here. Your word is the same thing. This is a Python program, and I am going to write find. Yes, find anywhere, any character Z. Okay, I am going to say find Z. So it will find the character Z inside the string S. If it is present, it will return its position. If it is not present, it return the value -1. Now, I'll run this program and you can see the answer here. See, it is returning the value -1. That means Z is not present in the string S. Now, here you can check that value also. See that I can check it like this. Instead of writing this print statement, I can write in a simple sentence, I can write S1 equal to, and here I am going to write if S1 equal to -1. What is the meaning if S1 is -1? What is the meaning of that one? If S1, the value of S1 is -1, that means Z is not present in the string. Okay, I can write print Z is not present in the string, not present in the string. Z is not present in the string, else I can say it is present. Else I can say it is present. That is all about that question. Okay, run the program and you can see the answer. Your question is whether it is present or not. So you have to write the whole answer. You have to form a statement to produce that particular result. So Z is not present in the string. That is all about that question. So you can use the find method. Using the find method, you will get the position of that particular character inside the string. If it is not present, it will return the value -1. Now the next question. Next question is again the same question which we already discussed in the previous slide. And question number 6. See question number 6. Text is equal to mind@work exclamation mark. Now I change the screen. I'll take the PowerPoint screen itself. Yes, okay. So this is the question I am going to discuss here. What will be the output of the following? Text is equal to, this is the text content which is given in the question itself. And here the next line. In this, when you answer this type of question, line by line, you have to write the answer there. Line by line, you have to write the answer. LEN. What's the use of, what is this LEN? Did you study this LEN anywhere? We studied in the function, string function. LEN is used to find the number of characters present in the string. LEN means length of the string. Length of the string means we will find out the number, total number of characters present in the string. Here the string is text. How many characters are present? See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of characters in the string is 10. 10 is the total number of characters. So that means ln will get the value 10. Right? Now what is this one? Which we already studied, that this is an empty string. It is an empty string. Now here for loop. For loop is there for I in range. This is range for loop. I in range. Okay. So I in range 0 to ln. 0 to ln means you can write it is from 0 to ln. Ln means ln value is 10. So this will be from 0 to 10. For loop will work from 0 to 10. So for loop will not take the end value. That means it will work from 0 to 9. Right? Which we already studied in the previous class. So for loop, there are two types of for loops are there. So in the previous classes, we use the second form of for loop for variable name in string. That is a second method. Here we are using the range function. So that means it will uses the numeric value. Here 0 to ln. Ln value is already you calculated and find out there. It's 10. So 0 to 10 means the loop will be executed from 0 to 9. Okay. Now here, this is a question. Text of I dot is upper. Text of I dot is upper. Text. What is this text? Mind at the rate work. Text of I. What is I value initially? Initial I value will be 0. I'll write it over here. The I value, I'll write it over here. I is 0. I is 0. The initial value of I from the for loop, the I value you will get it. The first value of I is 0. And here I can write text. This is text. It's given in the question. So this is the way you write it and find the answer. Then it is easy for you to find the answer. Yes, here text is mind at the rate work, WORK exclamation mark. This is the text. Okay. Now there will be one more variable you are using there, that is n text. N text is the second variable. Now see this text of I. Text of I means text of I value 0. So text of 0. Which is the text of 0th character? That is, we have to take about the positive indexing. We studied about positive indexing and negative indexing. Now text of 0. Text of 0 means we are going to take the positive indexing value. So text of 0 means this is the character. 0th character is this capital M. So you will get capital M over here. Is upper. You are checking whether the first character will be upper character or small letter. Here this checking is upper. You are checking whether the first character is upper letter or capital letter. I think all of you understood. Text of 5. Text of 0. Text of 0 means inside the text string, 0th character. 0th character is capital M. And you are checking capital M is upper. Is upper means you are checking whether the character is capital letter or not. Yes, it is capital letter. If it is capital letter means the condition true. Condition true means the statement under that if will be executed. Statement under the indentation of if will be executed. So that means it's in the next line is this one, index is equal to, index is empty. Empty string plus, that means you are going to concatenate. Text of 5. Again text of 5. Text of 5 means text of 0. Which is the text of 0th character? Capital M. Dot lower. So that capital M is converted into lower letter. It is converted into lower letter. So that you will get small letter M. That small letter M will be concatenated along with the N text. Right? Understood? Now, see that condition true. So it will not go for the else part and it will not go for the else also. Next. The next time for loop will be updated. Now you are under the indentation of for loop. Automatically for loop will be updated second time. When you update the for loop, the I variable will get the value 2. So your I will be 2 now. Now again you are checking text of I. Text of I means text of 2. Text of this is 1. No, I is updated to 1, not 2. Because I is 0 now. 0 plus 1 will give you 1. So the for loop automatically will be updated. We don't want to update it. For loop automatically will be updated. So I now is 1. Text of 1. Text of 1 means which is the character text of 1? 0th character is M. And the first 1th character will be I. Text of 1 means you will get the character I. I, you are checking whether it is an uppercase letter. I here it is a small letter. Condition false. Condition false means else part will be evaluated. Else part you are checking a text of I is alpha. You are checking it is an alphabet or not. First case you are checking it is an uppercase. In our case, it is not uppercase because our character is I. I is a small letter. It is not uppercase. So it will go and check the second condition, elif part. Elif part you are checking is alpha. See that the cursor moving here. You are checking is alpha. You are checking whether it is an alphabet or not. Yes, I is an alphabet. So it will execute this particular statement. Statement coming under this if statement will be executed. So that is this under the indentation, this statement is coming over there. So I can do that. N-text is equal to, already N-text contain M is there. N-text is equal to that N-text plus. So that means M plus text of I. Text of I means small letter I, which will be converted into capital letter I. So I can write this as capital I. Now again this is under the for loop. So I will be updated as 2. So here you can write I is updated as 2. I is updated as 2. And here I can write. So now again this next condition. Text of 2. Text of 2 means which character? N. N is capital letter or small letter? Small letter. So the first condition will be false. So second condition will be true. So that means that if it is n text plus means already this is there along with the upper. You are converting that character into uppercase. So you will get this as capital N. Same way the next one is D. First condition false, second condition is true. So your capital letter D will be coming over there. Next case, so the I will be updated. Here I will be updated as 3 and one more time updation is taking place. I will be updated as 4. When I is 4, you will get the character at the rate. So this is the 0th character. 1, 2, 3 and 4th character is at the rate. At the rate means will we check whether the at the rate is an uppercase letter or lower uppercase letter. It is not uppercase letter. So it will check whether it is an alphabet or not. That is not an alphabet. Your character is at the rate which is not an alphabet. So else, it will go there in the else part. Else part you are writing index is equal to index plus a. So instead of that at the rate, what should come over there? Here you will get the answer. It will be updated as or it will be concatenated as capital A. Again repeat the same procedure. Next is W. W means it's a capital letter which will be converted into small letter. Next character is O which will be converted into, so I don't have the space over there. So that is why it's moving to the left side. Okay, I will move it here. Okay, next character is O which is a small letter. Small letter you have to convert into capital letter. R also capital and K also capital. And the next character is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is not an uppercase letter, which is not an alphabet. So automatically else part will be executed and that will be instead of exclamation mark, you have to place capital A over there. So that is all about that for loop execution. Now your when you update the I value, automatically I become 10. You stop. It will stop the execution of the for loop. It will come out of the loop. And print n text. What will be the n text value? Now this is the answer for that question. This is the output of this question. All of you understood? Check it, you understood or not? I'll discuss one more question, the same pattern. This is always will be there for your board exam. It will be a 3-mark question. Find the output of the following code. Code will be like this. Any of the string method they can use it, and using that you have to change and display the final output. Okay, so that is all about that one. So next set of questions we can discuss in the next class. Thank you.